So I did my first powerlifting competition when I was 17 years old, and it was the New England Raw Powerlifting Championships where I took first place in the teen class. And then the next year at 18, I competed in the 275 men's division and won that. I was the strongest man in New England. 2016 was the last time that I ever competed in powerlifting. I won a world title, and it just so happened that that year at Worlds on my third bench attempt is when I tore my supraspinatus in my rotator cuff.
So I first met Niko in June of 2021. He presented to our office with a log press injury. He certainly didn't want surgery at the time because he had several competitions coming up that he didn't want to withdraw from. So we went the non-operative route, and we're going to follow up with him subsequently.
I was very, very specific, like right from the beginning, and I was like, I want you to fix me, but I don't want this to be the end of my career. In the interim between when I was supposed to have my shoulder done, I ruptured my tricep at a contest. Triceps are really, really difficult injuries to come back from and be 100%. It ends a lot of guys' careers. But I was bound and determined to not let it be the end.
An injury to the triceps like he had is a significant traumatic injury. And then to also have a rotator cuff tear in addition to that, and treated subsequently one right after the other, is pretty rare.
I was 100% prepared for him to tell me, you should probably stop. For him to have the attitude that he did and give me the optimism to be able to have hope that, you know, everything was going to work out and that I would be able to compete again. Yeah, I could never really thank him enough.
Niko was back training in 3 months, which is pretty remarkable.
I would say now I'm probably 90 to 95%, so we're getting there. Everyone is incredibly friendly, they're incredibly warm, and their bedside manner is second to none, and the way that you are treated, you know, you feel like you're part of the family. I have the deadlift championships on September 16th in Orlando, Florida. And then the World Deadlift Championships is in Cardiff, England the following year. I have absolutely no doubt in my mind that I'm gonna win. None of them ever would have happened if it wasn't for Dr. Stanley.